handle is made completely out of stainless steel. Yeah, it will never rust. There is no maintenance on. Because we already traveled more than 1 week in the rain when we came from, where was it, Tony?
We came from Sydney.
Yeah, from Sydney, and then we went to, and then have the rain.
Mittagong, Goulburn, Canberra, Albury Wodonga.
A few days we have the rain.
Lehman Brothers.
Okay.
They're still around.
It's a travelers adjustable handle. You can put it in any position what you want. Easy.
Been proud.
Yeah.
The blade will change.
If you say shit that's good, you need to say it loud.
No need for dread.
Shit that's good. Yeah, shit that's good. The total cable is completely made out of stainless steel. Inside is a Teflon coating, so it will always operate smoothly. Yeah. Why we need this? Because in our machine we have a variable
kings of the ground. Full-track marvels are making.
This is why this always needs to run smooth. And honestly, we never need to change it home. Or maybe, yeah, if that hook is at but never need to change it. As you can see on the machine here,
Concrete crew,
you only need to loose one bolt.
Yep.
And a slide out and a slide in. One bolt.
Yep.
You can do it within 10 seconds. And you don't need to go inside. You're not going to harm your knuckles. You go on the side, you're not going to cut your wrists. It's
every smooth pass.
the other thing is, all my 4 blades, they move together. One blade cannot move. I'm gonna show you. You're gonna show me.
A story told with sweat.
3 blades are standing flat on the floor. And if you here now have a hump in your concrete floor, this blade cannot go over. You see, this cannot move. You need to flat out. The other one doesn't stand me. And why this is? Because you say, okay, I have this little grease, I put my floor is flat, but you walk on it. Yeah? So you make all of this. This is why you need this. So you always can flat out your floor. First, I have seen many people that spending a lot of money on this. Screen. Everything is flat. No. Everything is flat, and then they're walking on it and it's like a horse. All over the place. This is why this is very important. Now I'm gonna show you how you can change the blade. You're gonna be surprised. You can use all kinds of wrenches what you want, as long as it's 17. Yeah? So you can use this one. You can use this one. You can use this one. You can use this wrench ratchet. You can use completely ratchet. The only thing what you do is take a ratchet, flip it on. You lose it a little bit. Turn it.
Like a craftsman's love-filled song. Sending out a tool to
That's shit, huh?
Not shit.
Not shit. No, you just say shit.
Good shit.
Good. I don't know the other.
No, you don't know the Aussies.
No. The Aussies have good shit, they have good shit and bad
Good shit,
shit.
bad shit.
Okay. So you slide it in, bam. Bam. It's finished. Yeah. Bam.
No pebbles.
That's it.
You can buy them blade.
Oh, you can do everything. all the material of the blades is different than the regular blade because I have a higher speed. All the other machines is 110, 130, maximum 145. That's it. This machine runs 200 RPM. It's an amazing machine. This is why my blades are from a different composition material. All these things I look for by myself. They're all made according to my specification. Everything in this machine. Everything. Yeah. Imagine if you have this kind of spotlight under your rifle. You already think, yeah. Because you know it's a pain in the ass, yeah? If you need to lose this thing, and you go under this and then you kill it, you're not open. We have seen a guy, you know, he was changing a blade from a rifle, and also like this, and he cut it here. Whoa, this was. So now I'm gonna take the machine down, then I'm gonna show you something.
Okay, go for it.
Can you pick it up over there? Tony, can you hold this? If you can see, it moved one blade, 4 blades move together. That's shit, man. Good shit, man. Bad shit. Huh?
Good shit, man.
Oh, good shit. So if you lock one, yeah? Yeah, if you lock this one, this cannot move. This cannot move.
Gliding on concrete beneath the silver moon.